Alright guys, welcome back. I'm very happy to start out this tutorial with this picture. However, sadly we're going to have to remove it. That is because we are going to be learning about tables. Tables can be used for many different things, from organizing data in like cells and just for basic organization, so it's good to know. And we will soon be moving on to CSS, so get excited for that because that is the big part. HTML is the easy one, so here we go. So we're going to go back to our file, and we see we have my website, we have body. We're gonna delete the image, I'm very sorry to say, so go ahead and remove that image tag right here, and we're going to make a table tag. Now there's no abbreviation, you literally just write table, and unlike the image tag, you close the table tag. So I'm going to make it a few lines down, but that's basically how it goes. Now here's what tables have. Tables have table rows and table data. They also have table headers, but I'll explain that later. Table rows, okay, this can be described as an Excel spreadsheet. I'm sure all of you have heard of a spreadsheet before, and many have heard of an Excel spreadsheet, but basically what it is it can organize your data into cells. And you can use those cells to manipulate the data like addition and math and stuff like that. But we're just going to be making the basic cells. So a table looks like an Excel spreadsheet. So here's how it works. Table rows go across horizontally and table data goes vertically. So this will make a lot more sense when once we start making it. So to make a table row, you just type tr, and then let's go a few lines down and close it. And inside our table row, we're going to have table data. That table data can be anything from fruits and vegetables to different breeds of animals or plants or whatever. So we're going to use fruits and vegetables. So go ahead and create a table header. Now, I know I was going to describe table headers later, but it's probably best to describe it now. What a table header is exactly the same as a table data, except it's bolded, so it kind of signifies that this is a certain subject. It'll make a lot more sense once we actually save this and load it on the website, but for now, let's just keep going. Inside our table header, let's write one that says fruits, and close the table header. Go one line down, make another one, and do vegetables. Okay. So now that's it for our first table row. So let's make another one. Let's write tr and go down a little bit, close it. Now the reason I always close this immediately is because sometimes you can forget to close tags in HTML and then issues happen. You'll also notice that I'm indenting each one of these. You don't technically have to indent, but it's an organization thing. See, this is a lot less readable than this. So just press tab whenever you go inside a new tag. So now we're going to be using the table data tag. So that's as simple as td, and you just write whatever you want. So you see the first one is fruits, so let's make an apple. And close td. Second one is vegetables, so let's make a carrot. Alright, and then let's make a new table row. tr, go down a little bit, close it. And let's go up, and let's make another table data, and let's come up with another fruit. Let's use banana. Close the table data. And then one more vegetable. Let's use, how about a leek? Close the table data. Alright, so let's see what this looks like on our website. I just saved it, and we're going to go here, and we're going to say goodbye to this image, and we're going to reload the page. So what we've done is we've created a table. You can notice this is a table. If you highlight the entire thing, you can actually see the cells separated. With CSS, this can look a lot better, but this is just a basic HTML table. And it's organized too. So we have our fruits, and then we have our vegetables. So let's take one more look. We started off by creating a table, so you can see this entire bunch is wrapped around this table tag. Then we created 3 table rows, 1, 2, 3. Then inside each of those table rows, we created data. So we started with a table header, then table data, and then more table data. So what this did is it rendered onto the web page our fruits, vegetables table header, see how it's bolded, then our apple carrot table data right here, and then our banana leek table data. So that's just a simple explanation of tables. Remember that table rows go across this way and table data goes down like this. It's kind of hard to see because table rows are invisible, but they basically just wrap table data into an organized fashion, which you can view, if that makes any sense. And if it doesn't, that's okay. The thing about HTML is it looks really ugly right now, and it's supposed to. HTML is supposed to look ugly, and you use CSS to make it look nice. So that's what we've done for HTML, and we will talk about links and anchor tags tomorrow. And then after that, we should be moving on to CSS very soon, so get excited. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.